What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be doing a traditional install with a side part using TPLXtensions, which will be releasing April 26, 2024. So in just a short little bit of time here, I will be releasing my raw Vietnamese hair under the TPLXtensions umbrella. We do also sell Brazilian hair, but I will be releasing our raw Vietnamese texture. So this hair is the bomb, okay? Hence why I am doing an install for my client for the third time, okay? So she literally takes this hair out and puts it back in time and time again. I believe this is her third install this time. We have used this hair before, but I colored this hair to give her some highlights, and we've been on a regimen of, you know, installing the hair, doing the maintenance on the hair at least twice while the hair is installed, taking it out, putting it back in, doing maintenance on the hair, on her hair and the hair, and then reinstalling. So this will be her third install that we are about to do using these extensions that I have colored for her. So she is wearing our straight raw Vietnamese hair in 18, 20, 22 inch. And baby, when I tell y'all this hair is the bomb, literally the bomb. This hair is going to last her a very long time. This is her last sew-in before she moves into braid or protective style season. She comes to me for all of her styles. I am Jasmine K, the all-around stylist, so I do pretty much everything. But she, you know, does braids and locks during the summer, and then we do extensions in the fall, you know, winter. So this will be her last install for this season, and then I'm sure she's going to pull that hair up out the bag because we've already discussed adding more color to the hair for next season. And I will be sure to follow up on that later on in the year of us reinstalling this hair again. This hair is Vietnamese based. It is handcrafted. There is no warehouse from where I get this hair. My vendor actually makes this hair as the order comes in. So fresh bundles, uniquely made per client, you know. And that is the type of hair I am trying to give the girls, okay? Some hair that's gonna last a long time. You make your initial investment and you get time and time and time and time after, again, using this hair. Just to get back to this install right quick, I did give her a scalp detox using the Influence product, scalp detox. It is a wonderful product. It does cleanse her scalp very well. I gave her a protein treatment, and now I'm going to blow her out and give her a trim before we begin installing these extensions for the third time. On April 26, 2024, I will be releasing the raw Vietnamese extensions of TPLXtensions collection of hair. We will be dropping 3 different textures. There will be the straight, there will be a classic body wave, and there'll also be what I like to call a glamour body wave. The glamour body wave in its natural texture is more curlier than the classic body wave. So there is a difference between the two textures, and I just wanted to release some textures that I believe would blend well with our texture of hair, or anyone's texture of hair. And then, you know, in the later time, I will gradually introduce new textures because I have tried every single texture of this hair, and I'm gonna tell y'all, all of them are on point, okay? So I am starting out with the side part for her, and I'm gonna do the same thing y'all just seen me do, basically what I just took out of her hair. I do 2 circles. I do put a protective net over the hair, and I begin installing those extensions. So just watch until the end of this video so you can see how this hair moves, honey, how bouncy it is, how luxurious this hair is, okay? TPLXtensions raw Vietnamese hair will be releasing April 26th of 2024, which is this year, in just a few weeks. And I am super, super, super excited because after years of research, I feel like I can release this hair to the world. I've actually been selling this hair for a little while, but I just haven't, you know, released the hair to the general public. I believe in this hair. It is real hair, y'all. This is not no silky play Cinderella hair. This is not that. This is not Brazilian hair. This hair is textured. It is dense. It is full from root to tip, and it did not come to play. Okay? and it blends with our hair very, 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 very well. So you'll see at the end of this video how her hair seamlessly blends into these extensions. And I have other videos of other clients with similarly textured hair blending right on in, baby. Okay? Clean. Mwah. Chef's kiss. So yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of this video. As usual, thank you all so much for tuning in here on the Pretty Lounge channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop them down in the comment box. If there's a video you'd like to see or any questions that you have, go ahead and drop that down there below. I'll make sure to get back to you. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Because I'm telling you, it goes down over here at the Pretty Lounge. And I'm taking my time to really show y'all how it goes down at the Pretty Lounge. So if you want to know what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every week, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see new videos every Sunday at noon. Y'all like how I did that? That rolled off the tongue, okay? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Send it to your friend, your hairstylist, your mama, anybody you think would like this hair. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. I did take a break last week because it was Easter. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Easter's weekend. I sure did. And we're back. We are back. So let me know what y'all want to see. All right. Enjoy the rest of this video. I will talk to y'all soon. Peace.
If you run, but you can't hide.